In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can delete your browsing history if you are using Chrome on your mobile phone. It's simple and easy. Do this. So on here, you can see I'm on my Chrome here. So I tap on the three dots here to move to my settings. So I tap on that and I tap on my settings here. So on here, what I need to do is I scroll up a bit and then I move to privacy and security. So you can see that under the address bar. So I tap on that here too as well. And you can see delete browsing history. That's the first option. I tap on that here. So deleting the browsing history, I have a lot of options. I can delete my passwords and everything, site settings and the rest. But in this case, I'm going to choose the top three, which is my browsing history, and then my cookies and site data to delete data. So I tap on that here to delete, and you can see this here. So when I tap on the delete, I'm going to delete or clear all the data from these sites. So now after deleting, when I visit these sites, it's going to be like I've never visited these sites before. So that's it on how you can delete your browsing history. So there are different options too. You can see mine, I've selected last hour here. You can select all time. It means all the sites you visited, you are going to delete everything. So you can see now it is 105 sites here. But then when I choose last hour, or I can choose last 7 days, last 4 weeks, or last hour. So that's another filter option you can use to delete your stuff efficiently. So if you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. Peace.